I'm going to be a CMO someday.
Stephen Pope.
Stephen Pope.
Stephen Pope.
Stephen Pope is an expert on Amazon.
My Amazon guy.
Stephen Pope.
Stephen Pope. Who is he? Share a little bit about your story.
Yeah, so I started my career as a TV reporter. I was doing a live weather hit in the middle of Wisconsin, 10 o'clock at night, big blizzard hit the state. Everybody was home in their pajamas and I was going live reporting. Felt like an idiot. I made a decision to quit that very night and switch my career field. One of the failed startups I worked at was a lighting company, and I was making close to $200,000 a year, age 30, and I got laid off. I was like, what the frick? I did my job. I took them from nothing, peanuts, to $1 million run rate a month. Like I was crushing it. I was doing really good. And then I just was like, this is stupid. I'm going to go work for myself now. I'm tired of making all these dudes millions of dollars. I'm going to do it for my damn self. I made a video, I made a LinkedIn post, and within 48 hours, I had signed my first $3,000 a month client. And it was a supplements brand. Oh my gosh, that was hard. I got them to $80,000 a month in the first 90 days. Within the first 3 months of me making my agency, I had generated $43,000 in monthly reoccurring revenue. And today, I now generate $20 million. I have 500 employees. There's 400 brands that have me on a reoccurring revenue. And that doesn't account for project orders and coaching and courses that we sell and all the other education fun things we do. It's been a good ride, and I'm still excited to keep riding it.